Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make slaw dressing. To begin, gather your core ingredients. You will need 1 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Also, have on hand 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. These simple components form the delicious foundation for a creamy and tangy dressing that perfectly complements any shredded cabbage. Now let's create the creamy base. In a medium bowl, combine your 1 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Whisk these ingredients together thoroughly. Continue whisking until the mixture is completely smooth and all the sugar has dissolved. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect, velvety texture that coats your cabbage beautifully. Next, it's time to season your dressing for optimal flavor. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper to your whisked mixture. For an extra layer of classic coleslaw taste, consider adding a small pinch, about 1/4 teaspoon, of celery seed. Stir everything well to combine. Always taste your dressing at this stage and adjust the salt, pepper, or sugar to achieve your desired balance. Finally, let's bring it all together. Pour your freshly made dressing over about 8 cups of shredded cabbage in a large mixing bowl. Gently toss the cabbage and dressing until every strand is evenly coated. This ensures every bite is bursting with flavor. For the best results, cover the bowl and refrigerate your coleslaw for at least 30 minutes. Chilling allows the flavors to meld beautifully, enhancing the overall taste and texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.